Hello, my name is Mudassir and welcome to the my channel ProgTech. Today I will tell you how to make database connection and how to configure it. For connecting the database to our PHP, first of all we have to create a database. So for creating database, we go to our local host server and then go to phpMyAdmin. I have already made the video on this that how to create the database and how to change, edit, delete the database. So if you want to watch this video, go to my description and check the video link. So here I already making one of my database with the name of testing. Go to testing. Here I made a table with the name of record, and these are the rows: ID, name, email, phone. Now, the basically in this lesson, I will tell you how you can connect the database with the PHP and how you can store the data on your database. So let's start our topic. And for this purpose, to connect the database, I will use the PHP function mysqli connect. So first of all, I will tell you what is mysqli connect. Okay, go to the Google and write what is mysql connect PHP. Here at W3C School, the best learning website. If you want to learn anything about HTML, PHP, JavaScript, SQL, you can find here with brief description. So that is the what I tell you. The connect, yeah, MySQL connect function opens a new connection to the MySQL server. So I'll use this MySQL connect function to connect the database. You can also use the simply connect. The syntax is that first of all it has the four parameters that we can use. First of all, that is the local host, then the root, and then the password that your database has, and in the fourth space you write the database name. So now we have to check how it's work. Here I have make an variable and I use the mysqli connect. Now at first space I will write my server name localhost, then comma, double quotes. You can also use the single quotes. It's not specific that you do double quotes. You can also use the single quotes. So I use the double quotes and here I write the root, comma, bracket, because these are the empty space because I don't use any of the passwords. So it's empty. And in the fourth position, write your database name. And the my database name is with the testing. And in last, use the semicolon. Oh, one thing that I'm missing is that I don't use the PHP scope. So write the PHP and in the last I'll close the PHP brackets. Now this line specify the connection to our database. But now here is that if we want to check our connection that our database connected successfully or not, we use the condition. So I use if condition. If my link is successfully connected, then echo me success connecting. else else echo dot not connecting. Now the our database connection is completed. Now we check in our browser. Open your any of the browser where your localhost works. I now localhost slash testing. That is the my file database.php. Here is the connecting. So it tells about that our connection is successfully connected. Our database is successfully connected. If there is any problem and in our connecting database, then it's results that is not connecting, but now it shows us that is connecting. So it's mean that our database is connected successfully with our server. So the so as we get the result connecting, it means our database connects successfully. If you have any of the question and any query, you should comment me. And this is the simplest and the simple way to connect a database. There are the many ways and many videos on the internet, on YouTube, that tells you, teach you how to connect a database, but they are so lengthy, about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. But basically the main purpose of my channel is that I'll make the shortest video on every topic of the database of PHP and etc etc. So the in this video I'll tell you about how to connect a database, and thank you so much and waiting for my next lecture. Allah Hafiz.